So guys, Brookhaven finally updated and released this Summer Carnival. Guys, I'm sorry if I were late on this update. But I already prepared some things that I already buy. Actually, I also buy anything here. So you have nothing to worry about buying it. So first off, we are gonna test every game on the ride. Oh, I buy everything. See? Owned everything. Oh. Let's try this new ride first. We're gonna earn 50 tickets every time we ride it. Okay, let's try this ride. Oh, it's going up. I already know what this does, but let's still try it. Oh, he's flying with the glider. For those who don't know, it's also added as a new item here. So much that I'm just gonna grab it. Later, I'm gonna test it with you. All the items on the right. Oh, it gave me 50 tickets. That was a bit fun. So we're gonna go to the balloon pop. Oh, let's just try this a bit. Oh, we got 60 seconds. Okay, I'm hitting there. Oh, I'm pretty noob at this right now. Okay, guys, this is just very little. Oh, we still have some seconds left, but it's still so little. Okay, how can we shoot here? Oh gosh, it ended up with I just got 50 points, which is really strange. Okay, I'm really worse at it, but somehow my schoolmate got me the gun. Okay, let me show it to you if you don't believe me. Oh yeah, the new avatar editor was released, which I thought you cannot search here anymore, but I did not even know this button was existed. So I finally realized it. Okay, now I will also try the basketball one. This one is pretty easy, which I already did also. Okay, let's try to shoot everything. Okay, let me go here. I mean closer here. It's easier. Okay, it's pretty hard so far, but I made it once. I mean twice. Dude, that's also pretty hard. Oh gosh, I made it! Okay, 44. Okay, now we just got 44 score, which is really good. Oh wait, let me show you the design of this quick gun. Okay, this is also good, but I'll just test it later. Okay, I'm trying this ball, but there's almost nothing difference in here because you can do the same bug as the normal ball. For example, this bug that if you hold the ball and you will grab a house on the right. Oh, let me grab this tree house and okay, now you're gonna be glitched like this, which is really strange because you're just gonna fly. Oh yeah, fly. Speaking of flying, we can also use the glider for it. But I will just respawn here because this will keep forever if I don't respawn. Okay, now I discover a secret here that I will test right now. Okay, let me go here. Wait, what's that text here? That's pretty strange. Okay, there's also some new vehicles that I already bought. Okay, let's try this first. Oh, I thought this was very fast, but it's almost the opposite because it's just a bit slow that you thought it's really fast. Look at this if you drive it. It's really fast, right? But I think it's just really slow compared to the other cars. Or maybe it's just as fast as the other cars. Oh, let me try this new one by the way. This costs 800 tickets, which spend me some time here. Okay, let me try this max speed. Oh, I thought this was really slow, but it's just in 25 speed. Okay, let me go. Oh wait, let's also try this one. That's where I discovered the glitch. You can also place this item anywhere you want, but I will try this item first. Okay, I already know a bug which they show me on YouTube. Okay, this glider is so amazing that I'm flying on the map. Okay, let's go back to the carnival where they launched me at. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna show you every prop on the right. Oh, let me just unhold it. Oh, let's grab the prop item. But first, let's get rid of my inventory. Okay, let's grab this one. Okay, now the new ones. Oh gosh, there's also this item here which I forgot you're not allowed to place there in the carnival. Okay, why? Okay, I will remove it and replace the other items. Oh, a market. This is really cool because you can now stand your own market. By the way, this is looks like a building tent, just like that. But I will grab this teddy bear, which you can sit on it. Okay, this is really cool and also comfortable if this were existed in real life. I'm almost sure this is existed in real life. And also, this popcorn machine gives you popcorn every time you press this button. See? Yummy. You can go on movies with this. See? Okay, now let's try the newest props, which is from the part 2. One of them is this unicorn, maybe. I thought for a second you can ride on the middle of it, but you can just sit here. For me, it's just a cool design. Not for RP much. Okay, let's try the signage, which you can actually write on here. Okay, now I write my name here, which is Justice Egg. So I'm gonna do the same with those items. Wait, it's glitch. Bro, don't glitch yourself. I'm just gonna put a shorter name of mine so I won't have much trouble. Oh, by the way, you can also change the color. For example, green, which is my favorite one. Okay, let's put everything first. Signage, then signage. Oh, by the way, I will put red in here. Where's red? Oh, I kind of colorblind right now. Well, where's red? Oh my gosh. Okay, now I finally found it. It's also this one. So I'm gonna write my names on all of this. Okay, now I put everything here. First is Josh's TV, and Josh's Vlogs. Those are my channels that are pretty famous right now. But this one is the most famous one. Okay, let me delete everything. Well, let me still try some of the props. Never mind, cause I'm gonna test the trias right now. Okay, let's go here, and we can go up here. I accidentally put the signage. Okay, let me go up here. Am I bug or something? Okay. Oh, there's also a ladder there, dude. I'm gonna try to figure out where the shape of this house is because I really don't know where it is. So I'm just going up here. Oh, I wanna try the parkour one. Oh, this is where you can climb. You can also lock it when you press this. Okay, let me go up there. Oh, I think I'm in the other side, so I'm gonna go here. Is it this way or another? Wait, can you? Oh yeah, you can go here. So it's just a shortcut. So now I'm gonna do this parkour. Wait, let me go here first. Oh, this is a library, and this place is now quite suspicious because Because the safe must be in here somewhere, which I think it really is. So later I'm gonna try to discover it out. Also some videos on YouTube. I'm gonna watch some of them. If I really fall here, so that means I'm super noob at the parkour. Okay, danger, keep out. What the? Girls only, no boys allowed. So I'm not allowed to enter here. Which is awful because I cannot enter anymore. Only girls. Well, now I kinda mess it up. No girls allowed. That's the opposite of what I came up from. Okay, let's see these boxes here. Oh, there's a telescope. If I can just see through here, this will be real cool. So I'm just gonna grab the binoculars. Okay. Okay, I grab it. Yeah, we can spy on the players here. It just looks like you're on the telescope. Okay, now I'm going here. Okay, I'm gonna discover here. If you want to add me on Roblox, search for this username, add a friend request, then I'll add you there quickly.